Hi guys, do you want to compress your video file size? Do you want to convert your GoPro footage, convert 4K video or record your PC screen on high quality? Watch the full video. In this video we will give you a software with you can do all these things. The software we are using is called videoproc. The download link of this software is in the description of this video. Go and download from there. I have already downloaded the software. Now let's install the software. To install the software, just double click on it. Then click on install and that's it. Now open the software. You can buy the full version of the software. Right now I will use the free version. First time after install, it will show you your PC configuration. You can convert or process your video, convert your DVD, download video from any website and record your PC screen. Before we go to the process, first I will select the output location. In this case I am selecting the desktop. To convert or compress your video, click on the video option. Now let's check a video size before we compress. Here you can see the video file size is 175 megabytes. Now let's compress this video and see the result. To add the video, click here and select your video. On the bottom you will find many options for convert your video. Also you can decheck, denoise your GoPro video and many more. Now to reduce maximum size of your video file you can select MP4 HEVC. You can leave all the settings as default and click on Run. Now continue. The converting process can take some time. It will depend on your PC configuration. Let's check the file size now. You can see that the file is now only 10 megabytes. It reduced the file size above 80%. You can also deshake, denoise your GoPro video. There is an option to add some effects on your video. You can add subtitles, cut and crop your videos and add watermark on your videos. On the same way, you can convert your DVD files. Just copy the video link from the website. For example, I am copying a YouTube video link. Copy the link. Now paste here. Now click on Analyze. Choose the output resolution. Then hit download. You can also record your PC screen in high quality. Click here to add your screen. To record your audio, select your microphone from here. Then click on record button. Here is the recorded video. You can find 6 methods to reduce GoPro footage file size without quality loss. I will also put this link on the video description. Please subscribe to this channel to support our effort. If you have any question or if you have any suggestion, please comment down below.